Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Microsoft Store account. First, open the Microsoft Store application on your Windows device. Look for your profile icon, usually a small picture or initial, located in the top right corner of the window. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you will clearly see the account you are currently signed in with. To switch accounts, click the Sign Out option that appears directly under your current account name. This action will log you out of the store. Afterward, simply click the profile icon again and select Sign In. You will then be prompted to enter the email and password for the new Microsoft account you wish to use. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the sign-in process. Once signed in with your new account, you can manage its settings by clicking the profile icon and selecting App Settings or Account Settings. Here, you can update payment methods, view subscriptions, and ensure your region settings are correct. If you encounter any issues, try closing and reopening the Microsoft Store application, or even restarting your computer. Changing your account allows you to access personalized app recommendations, your specific purchase history, and any subscriptions tied to that account. This also ensures seamless synchronization of your apps and settings across all your Windows devices. And speaking of great deals, if you're tired of cheap socks, check out Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, plus other fantastic deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.